Hey guys, this is Kelvin. So welcome back to this video. I will share the news. How actually I troubleshoot air leakage tires for my Toyota wheels. So for the past few days I have an air leakage for these tires. This tire is very new. I just changed it like a couple months back for the tires. So check around the corner of the tire and it's perfectly fine. It's sharp things that all the tires, and then realized that actually there's something wrong with the tubes. So that tube has been used for several years, and this tube actually causes some air leakage. So the air leakage is only able to show up after you pump above 230 psi. So we changed it, and it's only cost like $10 each.